Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this wonderful and this fabulous bust down look that I got from Karlami hair. If you really want to know where you can find some affordable long hair, just keep on watching and I'll tell you everything that you need to know. Okay, y'all. So it is the day before Christmas, so I gotta go ahead and get my head right. So the wig I'm gonna be using today is coming from Karlami Hair. Y'all know I'm gonna put everything in the description box below, but it's called Karlami Hair. And I really suggest that y'all like walk, not run to, get this wig. And the reason why I say that is because like this is a 26-inch wig, and I got this wig for I want to say like no more than $200. I can't remember exactly, but it's a really affordable price, especially for the length and the quality of the wig. But anywho, what you see me doing in the video is I'm just lining the wig hairline back up with my bald cap. Wig reinstalls, frontal wig reinstalls should be like the easiest, only because the wig is, the wig should already kind of be like just custom to your hairline, so you shouldn't have to have that much just difficulty getting it on your head. Once you do have that wig line lined up, all you're going to do is just flip your wig back, apply your glue, wait for that glue to dry, and then just place your lace into the glue. And I kind of just like sped that whole process up because I have a lot of videos on my channel that just really go in depth. So if you really want to see in depth, then just go to my channel and just click on another tutorial video. A quick reinstall tip is that you can start with the ear tabs of your wig versus just going across the whole hairline all at once. So I'm going to repeat that. I lay the ear parts of my wig before I lay the middle part of my wig. When I do like the ear tabs part first, it really helps me see the placement and how the wig is going to look on. And also just laying the end pieces first, it just helps the wig line up better and just lay where it's supposed to lay. So do that first, and as you go across your hairline, you will start to see those baby hairs just starting to come out. And as you see the baby hairs, just go ahead and comb them out so that you can separate your hairline. The hairline from the baby hairs, if I'm making sense. Okay, so now that you've gotten your wig back on fully, you want to go ahead and take some spritz. I use spritz, but you can use any type of holding spray that you desire, whether that is spritz, the got to be glue, or the even freezing spray. But whatever you use, that is what you're going to use to melt your lace. So spray down your entire hairline, and then you're definitely going to need a elastic band, lace melting band, and you're going to tie down your lace. Now, the longer that you let this band sit is the longer that your lace is going to be melted. So I typically leave mine on the entire time that I'm styling my wig. But if it gets too tight, you can remove it, but try and keep it on for at least like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now that I have decided I want to wear my hair in a bust down middle part, I'm going to go ahead and take my spritz and my hot comb and set and mold my wig in that style. During this time, you're going to be getting rid of all the flyaways and just getting your wig and your hairline like super duper flat and tamed, because we don't want helmet wigs. Ladies, we are going into 2023 and we just have to stop the madness and just slow down with these wig installs, okay? It's not a race. Just literally take your time and just try and press out your lace and the hair and the wig just as much as you can, okay? Like, you can never not have your wig flat enough. So that's just what I'm doing with this part. Yes, I did yes, I did hot comb my part, but I'm also doing the hairline just because I want to personally give off scout vibes. And yeah, the girls that get it, get it. So I personally think baby hairs are super duper easy, especially if you curl them. And then you ladies just must realize, like, you're in control when it comes to your baby hairs. You have the comb and the edge control stuff in your hand. Like, you're going to be telling your baby hairs which way to go. And like I said, if you curl them, then they're really going to just like easily and naturally swoop. So curl them, get them going. It is going to take a minute sometimes, so you have to be patient. But I mean, that's just like the fun part in getting that creation going. So take your time, comb and swoop them, try and hold down the baby hairs, and just kind of like swoop around that. I hope I'm making sense, but you see what I'm doing in the video. Like, I'm just holding down my baby hairs and I'm just like swooping around my finger. Boom. Once I've gotten my baby hairs like in place and just swooped the way that I want them and just how they look the way I want them to look, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz them one more time and then use my blow dryer on cool. That is very, very important. Don't use it on hot. I personally like to blow dry my baby hairs on cool so that everything could just like dry and set in place and just look nice and neat. Definitely like just picking up from the video last night, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my hair. It's Christmas, y'all. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. All right, but no. So I'm just gonna finish this install and show y'all the finishing look. The only thing left for me to do is flat iron my hair, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna be using the Bio Silk Serum. Y'all, just while I'm on this topic, do y'all know I got this big bottle plus the conditioner and shampoo the same size, and it was only $24. Like, the hair store sells the little bottle like this same thing, like the little bottle like this size, and it'd be like $17. So definitely check your local TJ Maxx if you are into the Bio Silk products. They have bigger bottles for the same price that they have it in the hair store. So definitely when using the Bio Silk Serum, you definitely just want to remember to use a little bit. A little does go a long way, and if you use too much, you will have extremely oily and heavy hair. So just be mindful, and yeah, try and spread it just throughout your entire hair. But when I flat iron my hair just from the beginning, I just first start off by grabbing like a lot of hair. And as you flat iron that hair, it's gonna like just straighten up and just, you know, tame itself. And then once it's kind of like tamed itself, that's when I'll go in and make parts and just pick up smaller pieces and flat iron my hair. Because if you just really try and separate each hair like small in the beginning, I don't know, I don't have all that time. So I just like to work pretty quickly. I grab big parts of hair, wait for that to just get straight, and then I just grab smaller parts and I just go from there. And also, with it being Christmas, I want to pass on just some positive vibes to anyone who isn't in the holiday spirit this year. I know I've been seeing a lot of people on social media just making comments saying how it doesn't feel like Christmas or they just aren't in the mood. So I definitely want to pass on positive vibes. I love this wig. This is my second install. Melts perfectly. And then I mentioned, like, this is 26 inches, y'all, and you can really get a long wig for an affordable price off that website. So definitely go check them out. Yes, go check them out. sorry I'm late. I was creating content. Like, they just don't understand, like, when you are a content creator, you can't just get ready and leave the house. You have to get ready, film, and then leave the house. Like, make sure you got your intros, your outros, like, all of that. So I'm coming. But anyway, y'all, like, I like this wig. I did like let it air dry after I washed it. Really no complaints. And I really think, like, definitely get you a good serum or just something for straight hair. Like, when dealing with this wig, I feel like it's just gonna add to it and help it look like extra bone straight, because look at this. But no, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm late. So like I was saying, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, definitely check out the rest of my channel and make sure that you are subscribed. With that being said, y'all, Merry Christmas. I hope you all enjoy your Christmas. Definitely comment down below and let me know some things or some content that you want to see going into the new year. But with that being said, y'all, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.